This is it, man. This might be the last train in service. Today being the, what are we today? June 5th, June 6th? I don't even think I have the camera on the right setting right now. But frankly, like a lot of you, I'm saddened by this. Well, most people would probably think, well, they're just old trains, you know? Hey, 52 fucking years on the rails, these trains. That's a bunch of bullshit. What the hell are they advertising all over the place for jobs? You know, advertise online, doesn't cost anything, right? That's how the STM pisses our money away. These fucking trains are an example of how the system used to be simple, just like so many companies. Nothing complicated. Everything was about service and the rolling stock. Point final. Look at that perfect timing. I knew that lady was going to get off. But no, we don't live like that anymore. The Azure trains, the new Azure trains are as complicated as the STM itself. These trains will finish their service and not be remembered for how simple they are, but how they withstood the test of time and durability.
Prochaine station, Bio.
You got a squeaker. Nice timing to get this train. There's a third track that goes to the VO garage, repair garage, maintenance. Nice. Yeah. Oh, there's the third track. Sorry about that.
Station Bio.
Bio. Don't go out of focus now. Camera loves to go out of focus, especially when it comes to too much movement, wind, temperature. That's it, baby. Stay like this now.
Prochaine station, Ascension.
What does that remind you of? That sound? See, it says on the sign, l'Assomption. But you hear on the intercom, it said they say Assomption. It was l'Assomption like for as long as the station was invented. Then they changed it a few years ago. Bunch of dumb shit, really. One of these seats on Kijiji, but didn't have a price. But it was just the seat itself, that tan part, not the base or anything. Yeah, I'm gonna be sad to see these trains go, and I remember taking them as a kid with my brother and my grandparents because they lived near here at this station. They lived at the Olympic Village, and we often would, you know, take these trains here when the floor was actually looked like it had a wood pattern.
Prochaine station, Cadillac.
Oh my God, this is it. This is the first car. Of all the cars I got on, look, this is the first car that was made. First car made by Canadian Vickers for production. How do you like that shit? I didn't even notice that until now. Listen to that song. Crazy stuff. That's why it's pulling out of focus, because the goddamn window's got scratchiti on it. Goddamn fucking people can't leave things alone.
Prochaine station, Langelier.
Just needs a little grease. I like to joke and call it Langelier. Yeah, I think this is the last train in service, and what's even more amazing is that next week they're going to run this last train on the yellow line, and then the week after that they're going to run this train on the green line, and then the week after that the orange line, and then the one I'm even more interested in, the orange line, is the last line, the last week of the month, going to be the blue line. They're going to be running this train. How fucking cool is that? That's amazing. Because these MR-63s never ever ran on the blue line unless it was a train, very rarely deadheading to go to the garage at Grimsby. Yeah. Where am I going? Shit, this is where I wanted to get off actually. Wow. We say in French, et voila. I'm sorry, I don't care how fucking sophisticated, how fucking nice the Azur is. It'll never compare to those trains, man. There's a magic about them, you know? It's the history, it's the quality. You know? They're relaxing ride. Christ, those fucking Azurs can't even take off smoothly, fuck. They take off like, it's like a fucking jolt, for Christ's sake. But then again, I'm a harsh critic. I think it's part of being Irish and Quebecois. Bye-bye.